Hello, my name is Andrea Diamond. I am 37 years old and I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. My job title is an architectural designer. I chose that job probably around high school because I had taken a few courses at a career and technology center near my high school, and it opened me up to a lot of possibilities of the things that I really enjoyed doing. The name of the company I work for right now is Attico USA, and I have lots of jobs and duties and things that I do throughout the day and throughout my whole career. The main things that I do are gather and collect design requirements for new constructions, alterations, and repairs. I do a lot of designing the structures as well as managing the concerns that the client may have and making sure we're all on the same page with the skills that or the sketches that we create together. I communicate a lot with my management as well as with the client in an office setting. So that would probably be my most common physical environment, is where I work with the clients and management in my office and create the drawings, as well as I do travel to the work site initially to see where I'm going to be working and kind of just get a feel for what the area is like. And then I also go back and travel to make sure that they meet their checkpoints for progress. My favorite part of the job is probably the AutoCAD software. I really enjoy, after getting the basic sketches down with the clients, creating the AutoCAD software to make it 3D, just something that they can see that they get really excited about. I love to see that. But my favorite part about the AutoCAD software is that it's constantly changing, and I've loved it from the start 20 years ago, and I love learning things about it every day. It's so much fun. My salary is probably about $70,000. The average for national is $57,431, but it's a little bit higher in the area in which I work. The school that I went to is Washington University in St. Louis. I got a Bachelor's of Science in Architecture. There's a couple courses that I took that were very applicable to the job that I do now. One of those is interdisciplinary drawing course for all architectural and art students. That was obviously just because we do a lot of drawing and sketches, and so I had to get good at that and having it be exact so that the client and I are on the same page. Calculus, calculating out those angles and make sure everything's exact when you're entering it into the AutoCAD software, as well as structures 1 and 2, because obviously you have to be very experienced in that area. Two of the courses that I probably consider most challenging are basically most of just the history, writing, or literature courses, because that's not exactly how my mind works, so it was a little bit out of my area of expertise. But there were a lot of things at the school that helped me, such as the writing center at the college. Also, if you are ever getting behind in class, the school would allow you to be partnered with a student in that class, so that when they were taking notes, whatever you may have missed, you could also get from them. I also received my graduate degree from Washington University. So the job titles that I have are the Bachelor's of Science degree in Architecture, and I also have a Master's of Science in Architectural Studies. The licenses I have and the degrees, or the exams that had to take the licenses, the architectural designers generally are people who are not quite architects. So they don't have the same licenses as an architecture would have. But to be an architect, you have to pass the ARE, and they also have the NCARB also has lots of other requirements that you would have to get your architectural license. My clients and coworkers probably would describe me as a little bit goofy. I like to mess around and have fun in the office, but I also do get my work done. Before I finish my career, I would love to design a building for a Christian mission group, and have that be part of what I did with my career and how I use my skills, or also to plan and be a part of the building of my own home. People in high school should consider my career because it's just so much fun. I love to watch people just have their dreams come true, and it's just an amazing experience. So that's why you should be an architect.